Hey guys, my name's Cody. I'm out here with my 2019 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R Stunt bike. Most of you probably recognize me by my Instagram name, CodyCat91. We're out here at the Big Indian in Irving at our stunt lot. With a couple of my teammates, Austin and Colt, from the Misfit Crew stunt team. I'll tag all our riders and our team name in the comments below. I'm going to give you a little walkthrough overview of my bike and the parts on it. Alright, here she is. This is a 2019 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R Stunt bike. All the parts on it I put on myself, and we'll just start from the top and go down. One of the first parts I did was this steel fairing stay from Anarchy. A lot of the stock plastic fairings crack just from coming down repeatedly from wheelies, so that's probably one of the first things that you're going to want to do. I got some SS Moto mirror block offs, and my headlights custom tinted from New Era in Tonawanda, New York. It's probably my favorite part of the bike. Moving on, I got some shock socks, which I know this shock is totally blown. That's getting replaced this week. That helps to keep the dirt out of the dust seals on the forks and getting that dirt and dust worked in and making your seals go bad quicker. Some SS Moto axle pegs. I have my exhaust wrapped in heat wrap. I have a Suspect radiator cage with dual R6 fans. Now those fans are wired to come on at 180 degrees because I have my ECU flash from the SICK shop. So that's another mod that disables traction control, ABS. If you have it, this bike didn't come with it, but it'll disable that. And you can choose what temperature you want your fans to come on at. SS Moto triple tree. Dirt bar risers offset for the GPR stabilizer. These are Pro Taper CR highs. Got a Brembo RCS 16 handbrake master Kevtech clutch, which is butter smooth. I love it. I've had RSC before, and honestly I like this Kevtech on this bike a little bit more. With the dirt bars I had to go with a extended clutch cable. That's actually a 0304 clutch cable. I moved all my controls off the handlebars, so I have my ignition down there and my start stop underneath here. I made sure to put it lower than this surface because when you're in spreader and going to sit down, sometimes you put your foot off of this and you could accidentally hit your kill switch. Tank, custom built by Anarchy. Seats by Old Man Manufacturing. Got the SS Moto subframe. Kevtech adjustable rear sub cage. Just some carbon bits. This rear fender's from RPM Carbon. Got the SS Moto 60-tooth sprocket and rear axle pegs. The SS Moto handbrake bracket with the 310 rotor. I like SS Moto if you couldn't tell. Their shit's fire. I got the M4 slip-on exhaust. Here you can see how far back it's wrapped. Also noting, or adding on to the cooling, all the cooling mods that I have done to the bike. I have the exhaust wrapped. I have the radiator cage with the dual R6 fans that come on at 180 degrees. I run engine ice for the coolant. I removed my thermostat, which was a major bitch. I don't recommend doing that if you don't have to, but I started it and I'm determined and stubborn, so I figured I decided just to finish it. Samco silicone hoses. Let's see what else. I think that's about it. But yeah, I love this bike. Oh, most importantly, how could I forget? Front cage, Kevtech. I had an Impact Tech before, and after watching Brian 636's video going over Nate from the Six Shop's stunt bike, this is why I decided on Kevtech. Kevtech has a top crossbar in addition to the bottom crossbar. My Impact Tech did not have this top crossbar, and after dropping my bike a few times, the front of the cage actually started to bend inwards and started to fuck up the engine mount threaded inserts there. The other nice thing about the Kevtech is the engine mount bolt is right here. It's not an impact point, unlike most of the other brands that have their sliders right over the engine mount. Kevtech does not do that. Got an EK chain, 120 tooth, 14 tooth front sprocket, 60 tooth rear sprocket. That's pretty much it. Oh, I have my my fans wired where I can manually turn them on. So when you're sitting in the lot and the bike's getting hot, you could at least cool some of the fluid that's sitting in your radiator. Then just start the bike up and cycle that cool fluid. And yeah, that's about it.